In front of me is Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now to activate voice typing, hold this microphone at the bottom right corner and wait for the pop-up. When you see it, select Allow Only while in use or Allow this time only. Then hold the same microphone again, but this time only for a second. Now start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, click on this button. To start again, click on this same one. If you wish to go back completely, use this X at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!